If you want a solid future, you need to create it. You can take charge of your future only when you take control of your sources of income. My name is Olashile David and I help people create wealth through real estate. Let's discuss your retirement plan. What is your retirement plan? Let me ask you this question and I want to think over it. What is your retirement plan? Are you think you will work forever? Or are you thinking I'll work for 70 years and I send my children to school, I did fixed deposit, treasury bill, and there's some money that I keep somewhere that can sustain me till I pass on? What is your retirement plan? Are you using your children as a retirement plan? Or what? Tell me. See, there's two simple ways to create wealth. One is find how to earn a passive income. And the second one is that you multiply it. Multiply the sources of your passive income. So that is the simple way to do it. And don't look too far. That is why I am here. I am here to do that one with you. And also, I want to hold you by your hands to make sure that we plan your retirement together. First thing I will introduce you to today is real estate cashback. Do you know that you can generate income by investing in real estate cashback? Maybe you are just hearing real estate cashback for the first time. Let me quickly break it down, because we've been doing this for over 4 years with no single default. What is real estate cashback? Real estate cashback is a trading product which allow our members to invest or buy into real estate developments with the purpose of generating passive income. Last year, that was 2022, we were able to serve over 5,000 members and we paid over 5 billion naira, yes, to our investors. You know you can partake of this one, and we have another one running now. You just need to take advantage of it. Real estate cashback. We've been going over 4 years with no single default. So this January, we are doing 30% return on investment, and this one spill over to the February 2023. We are doing 30% return on investment, and it is fixed for period of 12 months. That is for 1 year. So meaning that you can buy into our current selling estate, that is Lekki Pride 3. You can invest in the Lekki Pride 3. Lekki Pride 3 is on Ogombo Road, and we have Lekki Pride 1, we have Lekki Pride 2, and we have Lekki Pride 3. Lekki Pride 3 is a site and service estate. So you can buy into this and you don't need to worry. At the end of 12 months, we give you your capital back, we give you your return on investment. So let me tell you how this thing works. Like I said, we've been going and we are licensed. Yes, we are registered, we are licensed. We are registered with Lagos State Ministry of Commerce Chambers and Cooperative. We have our license number to be LSCS 18176. So we do not just wake up one day to say, oh, we want to be sharing money to people. Now you can earn 40% return on investment. We have experts that usually look into the return on investment critically so that we too will not be running at loss. So instead of us to go to the bank to go and borrow money and we'll be paying every month, we decided to pull the investors together, use their money, and at the end of 12 months, we share dividends together. So this is very straightforward. We've been going over 4 years with no single default. No single default. I mean that. And I'm not saying this is what you can invest within 1 month, 2 months. No, this scheme is 12 months. It's for 12 months, and at the end of 12 months, you get your capital back and you get your return on investment. So what are we giving you? You know, when it's okay, you're asking me to come and invest. How am I sure that this is not one of you know, make money quick rich? Because there are a lot of investment people, they will just come like that with no tangible thing. This is real estate. I am not saying come and invest your money on something that I did not know. This is real estate. This is tangible. This is what you can see. This is what you can feel. This is real estate. For Lekki Pride 3, we are selling a plot there for 60 million naira. So if you are telling you to bring your money for this, we have something as collateral to even give you. I will get to that because that one is part of the documents we give you every time you do investment with us. Let me tell you this one. You can earn a good passive income. Imagine you invest 200 million naira. Do you know how much you will make? 30% of 200 million naira is 60 million naira. You know that 60 million naira, you can use it to buy property. You can use it to buy what you want. You might want to diversify your investment. You can use that one and do another investment. This is your money working for you. And we have documents to back your investment up. We'll give you receipts. We'll give you deed of agreement. We'll give you investment certificates. And we'll give you post-dated check. 4 documents to back this investment. See, we are not just test running anybody's money for this. We have been doing this for over 4 years. I know there are some companies that they try to copy us. Most of them, they don't know how we are doing it, but they folded up. So because you just need to see what we've done over the period of time. We have more than 20 estates. And we just even launched another one. That is Tiwa Garden Estate, the biggest entertainment city in Africa. So we have a lot of projects that we are doing with this. So for Lekki Pride 3, we are doing real estate cashback for Lekki Pride 3. And what are we giving you? Like I mentioned, one is receipts. We'll give you receipt of any amount you are investing with us. 2 is post-dated check. We give you post-dated check for your capital and for your return on investment. You know what happened? If the check bounce back, you know that one is a criminal offense in Nigeria. Just to make sure that your money is working for you, and we always there anytime you invest with us. Yes, that is why we need to give you post-dated check for security purpose, for your investment. Yes, and the third one is we give you investment certificate. Investment certificate is that one we put everything. The investment certificate will put everything in black and white to show you your return on investment, the money you invested with us, and the durations of time. And also we give you deed of agreement. This is the part that I like to explain very well. You know, any money you are giving to us, any investment you are doing, we turn it to square meter of land in Lekki Pride 3. Convert the investment to square meter of land as a collateral. So after 12 months, you give us the land back, we give you your money. And with the return on investment, not that we give you only your capital. We give you your capital, we give you return on investment. So that is the 4 documents we give people, and we've been doing this over 4 years. Last year we served over 5,000 clients, and we paid over 5 billion naira. You know that is massive. For a company to do that, it is really massive. You know what? That money that you are keeping in bank cannot help you. That money that you fix cannot generate that kind of income for you in a year. You just need to learn how to earn passive income. So this is another passive income. But I know you will say, oh, is it genuine? Oh, they've come again with their sort of thing. It's Nigeria now. There is nothing that cannot happen. I understand you. Maybe you might have done investment and it doesn't really go your way. This is real estate cashback. We do real estate cashback. I can give you every proof so that you know that we are genuine and we are legit. This is real estate cashback. Our head office is on Awolowo Road, Ikoyi. And Real Estate Cashback Cooperative is a subsidiary of Zelos Group International. Zelos Group International head office is at Lekki Phase 1. So we have a traceable address. We've been doing this over 4 years with no single default. And last year, we've done massively because people, they really invested and they cash out big time. So this is the time to call the number showing on your screen. Let me explain to you further. People, their money is working for them. I don't know, maybe you don't like sleeping and your money working for you. Even bank that you save your money, the bank is using your money. Yes, they don't need your consent. So they buy properties, and at the end of the day, you don't need return on investment because they did not even ask for your consent. If, oh, has any bank called you, should I use your money to buy real estate? But this is what they are doing. They've been doing that and they've been generating a lot of income. But what do they give you? They tell you to pay COT, they deduct your money, SMS, you pay for everything, maintenance. See, you can see in which they are generating a good return on investment using your money. Imagine you invest 100 million. 30 million naira is not a small money for 12 months. You know, January now. Today is 30th of January. Imagine. Maybe you've done it 1st of January. Can you see? 1 month minus 1 month. February 2 will come and it will go. And your money is still sitting down in the bank. This is the time to take action. This is the way you can generate passive income. This is the way you can build wealth. You cannot just build wealth keeping your money in the bank. Buy real estate. Buy pre-launch price. We are still selling pre-launch price in Tiwa Garden Estate. Buy it and sell attire. This is another one. If you don't want to buy property, Real Estate Cashback is for you. You buy now, and at the end of 12 months, we give you your capital back and we give you your return on investment. We've been doing this, no single default. I can say it categorically, no single default. Why can't you call my number showing on your screen? Let me show you, and I will display the certificate that we got from Lagos State Ministry of Commerce, Industry and Cooperative. So we are legit. And we are ready for business. We are calling all our investors, both if you are Nigerians and if you are outside the country. We have everything for you. You can fill your form online or offline. So you can invest in anywhere. You can invest in foreign currency. You can invest in Naira. Anything you want to do, we are here for you. This is Real Estate Cashback. Look at it, Real Estate Cashback. It's the same thing as real estate buyback. It's still the same thing. Instead of you buying land that you don't know when the development will come, I'm not saying don't buy, but don't put all your egg in one basket. Invest in something that you can even liquidate anytime. Because if you tell us that, oh, I can't wait, I need my money, we'll just charge you 17% prorated on everything. You can see this is how you can make passive income, and this is how you can build wealth. You need to find how to earn passive income. So this is one way to do that, and when you find it, invest massively so that you can really build that wealth. Yes, this is part of your retirement plan. Plan it very well. Plan it very, very well, because you cannot work forever. My number is showing on your screen. My name is Olashile David, and I help people create wealth through real estate. Comment, like, and share. Share to your friends and family. And don't forget, subscribe to my YouTube channel and you turn on your bell notification. Follow us on all our social media handle at Salesville Property. Yes, you need to secure your future right away.